Hey guys, I'm now happy to announce you that you can actually get free access to this paid course, which is worth $100 or about 2,656 kwacha. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can apply for free mentorship for my premium course. But before I show you how you can actually get that, let me first explain why I've decided to offer this course for free. So this is a paid course that I spent almost a year creating. So I launched this course, I started creating this course, I think that was in 2022, and I finished in 2023. Okay. And this course is based on the knowledge that I've gathered in the past 6 years of trading. So make sure that you watch this video till the end so that you can understand how you can actually get free access to it and improve your trading experience. So here's the main question of why have I decided to give this course for free? Well, it's because I am actually a Deriv partner in Zambia. So what does that mean? Okay, it means I'm an affiliate, an introducing broker, and a payment agent in Zambia. But why does this have to do with giving my course for free? Well, as I said earlier on, I'm an affiliate. So this means that if you create an account, okay, with Deriv under my link or under me, okay, and if you get to make money in trading, I also make money. But here is the thing, if you create an account with Deriv, right, using my link, and you don't get and you don't trade, or you trade but you don't make money, well, I don't make any money at all. So I've decided that since most of you guys can't really afford the course, since when I launched the course, okay, only since like 2 years ago, the only people who bought this course are less than 10 or so. Okay, and a lot of you guys usually contact me almost every day asking for mentorship or to be taught trading. So I've given it some thought, like what if I was going to teach you for free, right? I teach you for free provided that you actually create an account with Deriv using my link. So which means that since I'm an affiliate, when you create an account using me and if you trade you make profits, well, I also get a commission. So this way we both benefit. So I think this is the best, okay, and it totally makes sense, especially like for example, like if someone is a forex trader, right, and does make money, I think it doesn't really make sense to charge other people money when you are good and you don't need people's money because you can actually make the money yourself. But why charge people to teach them? So now the thing is, okay, I know those reasons make sense, but here are my reasons why I may not give the course for free, or why I haven't been giving my course or my time for free. Well, here's the thing. I spent more than 6 years to learn all this by myself, right? So it doesn't make sense that from nowhere I just come and give you the course for free. No, because I spent really a lot of time. So based on the time I spent on this, the sacrifices I made, the time, the sleepless nights, it wouldn't make sense just to give you the course for free or just to teach you for free. The other thing, I spent nearly a year just to create videos. So this course, I think, is the longest course I've ever created. It has got like 107 lessons, and all of them are videos. So I've taken the time to create, record, plan, edit, upload. Okay, that's a lot of time. So therefore, even though I may be able to make money trading, okay, it does not mean that I can actually give you the course for free because I make money doing the course. No, hard work deserves to be paid, and you guys need to understand that. Always try to pay for things, and don't just always try to go for free things. Okay, but you know what? There are some advantages that comes with paying for something than you getting something for free. So pay attention. So when you pay for something, for example, this course is actually $100, which is of about 2,600 kwacha, right? So we know that this money is a lot in Zambia, and it's not everyone who can afford this. So this means that if you were to pay $100 for my course, it means that you would actually try your best to learn everything because you paid for that information. So it wouldn't make sense for you whereby you pay for a course, then you don't make use of it. Okay, to be like money wasted. Now here's what happens. Since you're going to get this course for free, obviously you're only going to learn like 2 lessons and forget, because you're thinking, no, this is a free course, whether I learn or not, I lose nothing. So that's bad. So now this gives to my application form. So here is the application form, and here are some requirements for you to actually apply for my mentorship. But before I tell you the requirements, there's only two important things that you need to know. Okay, first of all, the first requirement is that you need to create a Deriv account under me. So pay attention here. So as I said earlier on, if I'm going to give you the course for free, okay, it means that you need to create an account under me. But if you already have got a Deriv account, but if it's not verified, you can create a new one under me. But if you created the Deriv account already and it's verified, well, then you do not qualify to this free mentorship. Why is that? Because with Deriv, you're not required to have multiple accounts. Okay, if Deriv notices that you're having multiple accounts, they will close one, and I'm not sure which one they will close. So make sure that you don't have a Deriv account. If you have, make sure that it's not verified so that you can contact Deriv, they close it, then you open a new one under me. Secondly, okay, so to prove that you are really serious about learning, okay, you need you'll be required to deposit a minimum of $10 into Deriv. Okay, remember, only deposit this $10 just to show that you are actually uh, willing and you want to actually get to the number Forex. But why am I asking you to deposit the $10 into Deriv? Well, it's because you may have an account with Deriv which is already verified, right? And then you may just create fake accounts for the sake of getting my course. So here's the thing: when you create a Deriv account under me, you'll be requested to verify it. After I'll help you with verifying, right? After you verify it, then I'll walk you into depositing money into Deriv. So by this, I want to deposit the money through me since I'm a payment agent. Okay, so here there's no cheating. Lastly, the most important thing is that you will need to be serious. Okay, remember that if I'm going to spend time on you, you will need to be serious, because if I not notice that you are lazy, you're not interested, I'll simply remove access and I won't offer you any services at all. So you need to be serious. It doesn't matter whether you work or a full-time job, you're in school, you can always have time for trading. At least an hour per day is enough. So you need to be serious. So if I give you access to this course, you'll be requested. Okay, I think now I'm not talking about the requirements. So let me just go back to this so that I explain all the points. So this is the link that you're going to receive for uh, the verses for you to apply for free mentorship. So first of all, as I said, I only need serious people. The first requirement is that you need to have a laptop or a desktop. Okay, because yeah, it's possible. As for me, I started trading using a phone, but it was hard. So it's much easier if you're a beginner and start with a computer, so that as you go later on, when you gain some experience, you can now be using a phone. So if you don't have a laptop, you don't have a computer, well, you're not eligible to apply. Okay, and second, you need to have access to faster internet and be able to afford bundles. So remember the course. So the way I'm going to teach you is that the course is on my website. So what you will do is you're going to create an account. When you create an account, I'm going to give you access to this course. You'll be able to then, okay, from anywhere at any time at your own speed. Okay, I won't have to come and visit you to teach you. No, that's a good thing about my course is that you're then online. And for this, you're going to need a lot of bundles for you to learn. So you need to be able to afford courses. So this is how my learning platform looks like. Okay, it's similar to Udemy. So this is how it looks like. You have got the content on the left, the videos on the right, previous, next, just like that. Okay. Thirdly, you need to be able to dedicate at least an hour per day to practice what you learn. Okay, and you'll be required to willing to practice in a demo account for a minimum of 1 month before you can actually go to a real account. So remember that for you to actually go into a real account, okay, you'll be required first to submitting your progress to me weekly. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can actually be submitting your progress, how you're trading. Okay, and I'll be able to tell you that okay, now you are ready to go in your real account. I'll be able to do that. So The $10 you're going to deposit, you're not going to trade it right away. No, it's just something to show that you are really serious and you verify the Deriv account and that you are actually under me. So you're going to use it later on. Okay. So if you can deposit a higher amount, okay, the chances for you of being accepted to this free mentorship may be higher. Okay, and you must be at least 16 years older with an NRC. Yeah, that's a first. That's important. Okay, some of these I've already explained about them. Okay, then after you've been accepted, you'll be requested to complete all the lessons. So as I said, this is the longest course. So okay, it depends how much free time you have. If you are working, if you're in school, at least you should be able to spend at least an hour or two just to learn a few things and practice what you learn, just like that. Okay, so here's the questions. So you'll be asked about your country. So everyone is welcome from wherever country you are. You'll be requested to enter in your full names, okay, or be requested to enter in what you're currently doing. So now this information will help me know like what type of person you are. Okay, if you're a student, I'll be able to know like how much time you would be putting in this if you work. So for example, if you're just home doing nothing, it means that you'll be able to at least spend even an entire day learning. So if you're like you're always home and you're only spending 10 minutes, then I'll be like, no, something is wrong because you can't be doing nothing and not even learning at all. So this will help me understand how you are. So you'll be requested to enter in your WhatsApp line for further communication. Then you're supposed to answer if you've got a laptop or a desktop. If you don't have, that's automatically going to be accepted. So don't even bother applying. Okay. So try your best, right? If you don't have a laptop, you don't have a computer, okay, try your best. Get even a second hand laptop for 2 pin, 2.5, 3 pin, okay. Try whatever you can do, just get a laptop, okay. So the thing is, it's easier to trade forex on a laptop than on a phone. Even when you start learning, it will be much faster and easier for you to understand. With your phone, it will be hard. And as I said here, I'm only looking for serious people. People are not going to slow me down. Okay, so it means I'm going to help people with laptops than phones. So now yeah, of course I'll ask you why you're interested in learning trading. Then I'll have to know whether you're a beginner, if you know some things, if you've been trading, if you're a pro, simply tick on of these boxes. Then if you've used any other online learning platform like Udemy before, please tick yes, you have. So that if you have used one before, then I want to start explaining to you how my platform works, how to learn, because to be similar. But if I've never learned online, well, then I'll have to teach you how to use my website, how to learn, tracking your progress, and so on. Then simply add the reason here why you think you deserve this free mentorship from me. So be real. Then, if you get accepted to learn for free, you should choose a date when we can have our first meeting. So we can have this meeting on Zoom, Google Meet, where I help you create an account with Deriv, I help you verify it, and then I help you deposit a minimum of $10 so that you can be given free access to my course. Okay? So, but here are my advantages about learning from me. So why should you learn trading from me? So the first advantage is that it doesn't matter where you are from, you'll be able to learn from anywhere at any time at your own speed online on this platform similar to Udemy. So you're going to have some free access to some of my premium coding tools that can help you. So remember, we're here to make money, right? So I'm not going to sell you things. Instead, I'll give them for free because I know that if you make money, I will also make money. So it won't make sense for me to sell you my premium indicators, robots, and stuff like that. So these are some of the advantages. So you have free access to my Telegram group, more than 4,000 traders, okay? And you'll be able to deposit and withdraw money through me if you're from Malawi, Ghana, Uganda, Nigeria, and Zambia. Then, as you know, I'm a content creator. I've got more than 1,000 videos on YouTube, so you'll be able to learn about more things from there. Okay, so here's what you should know. So this course, most of the content of this course is not there on YouTube. So this means that most of the content of this course is premium and it's not shared with anyone for free. But on my YouTube channel, I've been creating content since 7 years ago. There's some free videos there on YouTube which are really important. So instead of creating new videos, I've simply put them in this course. Okay, yeah, they are also good. You'll be able to tell that this video is from YouTube and this video was meant specifically for this course. For example, when you hear like subscribe to my channel, if you hear that then that means that this video is taken from my YouTube channel and it was added to the course. But most of the content on this channel or on this course are not anywhere and they are not free anywhere. So to summarize, what you need to do is, uh, if you're interested for this free mentorship, WhatsApp me. I'll send you this link where you have to apply, go through everything, and from there we'll proceed from there, and I'll guide you on how you can move on. All right. So this is Keith, and bye for now.